So as a new department, we have many functions that we need to cover. So infrastructure provisioning and management, build, deploy and control tools, monitoring, alerting, data capture and insight, and machine learning. So with all these different types of skills and also being in different locations, so we're in Hatfield, Barcelona, Wrocław and Krakow, the X Matrix tool was a great way to bring us all together. So there's many tools that you could use, and the X Matrix for us was great because we had people coming from different departments into the new department with responsibilities that they'd already had, projects they were already working on. So this gave us the ability to say, this is what we're going to work on in the next year, and this is what we should focus on. So it really helped in creating that shared purpose of what we should do to achieve our mission. It's really useful in terms of everyone was involved and you get this shared purpose. So from top down, everyone contributed to saying, actually, this is what our true north should be. So for platform services, our true north is we should enable Ocado Smart Platform teams to build awesome products with zero gravity. Zero gravity being like frictionless, easy, simple. So not only does the tool give you this true north, but then you talk about the aspirations, the strategies, tactics, and what evidence you'll have to be able to measure how successful you are. So yeah, absolutely useful in terms of defining our goals. Being able to have a true north and saying, okay, we're enablers, for example, means that we can say, actually, no, we can't do this project. This doesn't fit into what we need to do. So it really helped give us some clarity and helped our individual teams come together and create our own individual missions that aligned with our departments. So we're at the point now, 12 months on, we're going to go and do a retrospective, revalidate that what we decided and was the tool useful and do we need it in the next 12 months. So I think it's a really useful tool to get departments started. It's really useful to then reiterate and make sure that you always stay aligned.